Hey guys, welcome. In this video I would like to show you how to replace and where this four-wheel drive control module located in this 2009 Ford Ranger. Customer complaint is the vehicle put in four-wheel drive, and when he switch off to two-wheel drive, it's hard, like it doesn't want to go back into two-wheel drive, kind of like it's stuck in four-wheel drive. Sometimes it go out, sometimes not. So you see we have to remove the radio assembly, like the whole thing here. So to remove that, there's two screws underneath right there, 7mm. So you remove that screw out. And you have a plastic removal like this. Just pry it a little bit from the bottom. There's only two screws that holding this whole unit together. So now it's coming out, the whole thing like this. And just disconnect two connector on the side here. Yeah. Two on that side and two on this side, you can see there. And after you disconnect the two connector on the side here and two on the side here, you can pull the radio out and just hanging like that. You don't have to disconnect the antenna and two plug in from the back here. You can see right there the four-wheel drive control module is mounted to the side right here. And the two screws, one at the bottom and one at the top, but have to remove this air vent out. And to remove that air vent, there's a 7mm screw also at the bottom. There is only one. So when you move that one out, now you lift it up. You lift it upward and you pull it out, because it have a clip at the top there. Yeah, so now that thing's out and this one is just big open. Yeah, so you remove one screw, remove the upper screw, and the bottom one just loosen it halfway, so you don't want it to fall down there, because you can see that's open at the top and also the bottom. So we just remove one screw and lose the other one, and you can slide it out. And that's it. That's a four-wheel drive control module. Put it in and go for a test drive. Yeah, so now you guys can go on from here to put it back. Everything is very quick and simple. Okay, now time for a test drive. Perfect to test drive four-wheel drive on this snowy condition and slippery road. So got the engine running. So just leave in park right now and see. Click. Four-wheel drive. At least now the light is on, and let's switch it back to two. Yeah. So let's reverse it. Now it's in two. I'm rolling right now. On, off. Yeah. On, off. Okay. Now original customer complaint is put in four-wheel drive, and when he switched back to two-wheel drive, sometimes it just stuck there, it's not coming out. Sometimes it came out from the four-wheel drive to two, sometimes it's not. So Switch back to 2. Yeah, look like working perfect now. On and off. Just in like a second. Good. Okay, just after test roll, everything working good. 4-wheel drive on and off. 2-wheel drive. So I tested in 2-wheel drive. The rear wheel just spin. Very easy to get it spin on the snow like this. And 4-wheel drive back on just in a second. Yeah, so that's all. That's working good. Yeah, that's it guys for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. So that's a problem on this 4-wheel drive control module. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you guys in the next video. Have a great day guys.